did not just dunk it! What are you doing?
What happened?
You cannot dunk an Eccles cake!
Why can't you dunk an Eccles cake? Welcome back for another very, very special episode of Taste Test. And it's very special because we have a very special guest. His name is Matt, but you might know him better as the Topless Baker.
Thanks for having me.
Man?
I'm good.
Today, we're taking a trip to England and tasting classic British bakes. How are you feeling about this?
I'm excited. Who doesn't love cake?
Have you had British baked goods before?
I may have, and I just didn't know it.
Off the top of your head, if you could name one. Come on. Thick, named after a queen. Named after a queen. One of our queens.
Freddy Mercury cake.
I love anything with sugar.
I know you do. I've seen you on your sugar high before. It's entertaining, so this is going to be great.
I think we're gonna need some tea for this.
Do you cheers?
Well,
sorry.
Well, there's a few steps
Yeah,
still
yeah,
involved.
show me,
So we've got milk. Give me a glass.
Yes.
I'll milk you. And then, are you sweet enough, or do you want a little bit of sugar?
No, I could be sweeter.
We usually cheers a pint, but we'll
okay.
cheers our tea. Can you guess? Okay, just off the bat.
Coffee topping?
Sticky toffee pudding. I always want to know what this was from those shows. It's sticky.
Toffee. That's
Toffee.
I said coffee, I was close.
Are you joking?
You like it?
Oh, I do. No? Not a fan? Do you not like toffee?
No. It has like a carrot cake vibe to me, which I really like, because I love carrot cake.
That was lovely.
Isn't it?
I really like that.
Well, it's a pudding, not a cake.
Sure.
But that was a good start. I feel like you got a true
Yeah.
English experience.
I really like that. If that is the basis of all the other ones, I think we're in a good place.
Do you know what this one is? This
think
a-
you
this
know
is a
that I
difficult
don't.
Name. I know that you don't. It's a silly question. So this is a Battenberg.
It's pretty cute.
It's super adorable. And what is this, just a frosting?
We should have a little marmalade of some sort around the outside, or an
Okay.
apricot jam. And then this should be marzipan.
Oh, I love marzipan.
give it a 10,
Ooh, and there's some
guys.
jam in here.
I love it. So I love the jam in between the cake and the marzipan.
Yeah, because that's the
really
glue.
good.
That
yeah.
glues it together.
Yeah.
Super
there's a little
almondy
jam.
because of the marzipan. The jam, great little touch.
What is an eckle? What's that mean?
Eccles is a place.
So there's like a
So we've got like
sugar.
a short, crusty
Okay.
kind of pastry, not a puff pastry, and then these caramelized raisin things going on. Some
Okay.
cinnamon.
It's not like overly
Raisiny.
sweet. Yeah, it's
It's
very
like a
raisiny.
really dry cinnamon bun.
No, you did not just dunk it! What are you doing?
What happened?
You cannot dunk
What?
an Eccles cake!
Why can't you dunk an Eccles cake? What is the tea here for if not to dunk an Eccles cake in there?
Okay, we need to talk about this because
This is how the American Revolution started.
what can happen, yeah? What can happen is you don't know the sogginess or the absorption levels of an Eccles cake. So you could dip it in, you
Yeah.
turn to say, hey Matt, how's it going? Boom! Half your Eccles cake drops into your tea.
Yeah,
then
and then you know what I
tea
do? I go,
through-
oh, sweet, soupy Eccles cake. Just
How
sit
was
next to
that?
you.
How was the dipped Eccles cake?
It was a little soggy.
Yep, exactly. Yes!
Yes. What is it?
This is one we talked about earlier actually.
Oh, this is the one that you were
This
really
is the
excited
Freddy
about?
Mercury.
Oh, I do say it's a sponge cake, a Victorian sponge cake.
The best thing about these is none of them are like overly sweet.
I was just
like
gonna
if
say
this
that.
was American, there'd be like an inch of
Of
like
buttercream?
frosting or
Yeah.
buttercream
Powdered
fondant.
sugar
It'd
all
be
over the top.
It'd be too much.
I'm curious
but
what this creamy layer is.
And
Wow.
then what do we have in the middle here then?
So there's different. Ooh, this is a battle because some people put in like a whipped cream and then you call it jelly,
Jelly.
jam.
Jelly.
We call it jam.
It's so light and like.
So good.
Hello, I'm a piece of cake.
I'm the queen.
So can I just tell you
Yeah.
that I have this really strong hankering to dunk this in my my tea.
I saw that. At the
I'm
corner
not
of my
going
eye.
to do it. I just want you to know that I want to do it.
Come on, just do it. You want to do it? Just do it.
Just get this. Nice little piece of cake here. And bam.
I'm not as offended as that.
That's pretty good.
Because it's cake. Mm-hmm. The Eccles was pastry though.
Are you trying?
When in Rome. This is. I'm sorry to every British person watching this.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he did it!
Oh. It just tastes like soggy tea in cake form. No.
that was amazing. That was delicious.
Yeah, if it didn't rain all the time in England, I'd move there. But this hair in the rain is not cute.
Same. Same.
Victoria sponge just because like that, it looked amazing, it tasted amazing. I feel like I could eat an entire cake of that.
We should implement like a tea time. Should we do like every
Yes.
Thursday? We'll have some tea and some
But just
delicious...
you and I don't want anybody else there.
Great.
But if you guys enjoyed it, you can subscribe to the Food Network channel and give it a like and a thumbs up and all the things that the cool kids do. And we'll see you next time. Bye.